This product was sent to me for my honest review. Quick tip, make sure you have a GFCI switch nearby your toilet because you want to be safe and not sorry. If you're a germaphobe like we are, you can set your toilet so you never have to touch it. It senses when you're nearby, and if you're a man, you can just tap it to get the lid up. You can handle your business and just pretty much just step away and wait about a minute or two, and it'll automatically close the seat and the cover, and it will flush automatically. The only downside is that the toilet is a little bit loud. Now, to add your detergent for the foam rinse, simply slide the glass piece to the right and it pops right up. And remove the cap in the upper left corner, and that's where you would fill your detergent. And then simply lay the glass back on top, slightly off-centered on the right side, and then slide to your left to lock in place. Unfortunately, I'm sitting on the toilet, so I can't demonstrate the bidet functions, but all those adjustments are on the left. And here you have your heated seat temperature settings, 3 settings, your water temperature settings, 3 settings, as well as your air temperature settings. It also has 3 settings. Under this cover here is your battery compartment, which holds 2 AAA batteries. Just make sure that the little seal around this cap is properly in place to keep your remote water resistant, to protect the remote, and for cleaning purposes. And on the flip side, you have a few more functions. You have the stop button, you have the front feminine wash, you have your posterior wash, you have your dryer, and your flush, which again is pretty much the only negative thing I have discovered because it is kind of noisy, especially at night. Here's an example of the dryer functions. It has 3 settings, a low, medium, and high. And if you flip the remote to the top, you have a button for raising and lowering the seat and raising and lowering the top cover. Another way to flush the toilet is by pushing this knob inward, and you can also activate the wash features by turning the knob right and left for posterior and anterior. And at nighttime, you can leave on this night light so you don't have to turn on your bright lights while using the bathroom in the middle of the night. It's an awesome feature, plus the toilet looks cool at night. To be honest, I've only covered a fraction of the features. I highly recommend you dig into the manual, which has a cool table of contents to help you navigate. They say the average person spends 20 minutes a day on the toilet. I think I've doubled that. I hope this was helpful. Peace.